Hello everyone. Today we creating a 3D blend text effect. Select Ellipse tool. Hold shift key and make circle. Fill black color. Go to effect panel, distort transformation and select zigzag. First we select 5 pixel. Second column select 12 pixel. Hit OK. Go to gradient panel. Choose color. Give it angle minus 120 degree. Copy object. Select both object. Blend tool. Click first circle. Hold Alt key and click second. Fill distance in 0.1 pixel. Hit OK. Select pen tool and create your text. Select pen tool. Resize blend object. Make copy. Select object and text. Go to object panel, blend and replace pen. Wait a second. And same do with another text. And create a background. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel.